First, you put on a silver bead, a clear bead, and a silver bead. Now you put on a flower bead cap, the crystal bead, and the flower bead cap. Make sure that the bead caps are capping the crystal. Now you put on a little silver, a clear bead, and a little silver, and the cross charm. Make sure you go through the large loop on the cross charm. Now you are putting on your 10 glass pearl beads. Make sure you put one little silver bead between each of your glass pearls. If you are making a confirmation bracelet, then put a little silver, a clear, and a little silver between each of your pearl beads to make the bracelet larger. Once you have finished putting on your 10th pearl bead, then put on one little silver bead, a clear bead, a little silver bead, your final pearl, a little silver, a clear bead, and a little silver. You are now done making your bracelet, and it's time to attach the clasp. Put on your little crimp bead, then put on the loop, and then go back only through the little crimp bead. Once you go through, make sure you pull your string tight to make sure that there's no wire showing. Now take your flat nose pliers and squeeze that little crimp bead. Then you can take wire cutters and cut off the remaining piece of wire. We hope you enjoyed making your bracelet.